YouTube, this is XXXman360 here, and welcome to another one of my tours. Today I am looking at Merivale Road, railroad crossing. Alright, so let's start with this side. We got a cantilever here, some Harman fading LEDs in WCH 12 by 20 inch lights. On top there are also Harman fading LEDs in Western Column Haze 12 by 20 inch lights. On top, the bell is the reason I came here. It is a Western Railroad Supply Mechanical bell. Pretty old, but it sounds pretty good. Also, the bracket on here is fabricated metals. On this signal right here, the lights are Western Column Haze 12 by 20 inch lights with Harman fading LEDs. Same goes for the lights on top of it. This pedestrian signal, actually that goes from all of the signals here. They have a WC Haze Type 2149A base, and they have a Western Column Haze modern gate mechanism. The lights here are all Western Column Haze 12 by 20 inch lights with Harman fading LEDs. This one has a Western Column Haze junction box. Lights on here are all Rico gate LEDs, and that goes for a lot of crossings here. This pedestrian signal is identical to the other pedestrian signal, except it has a bell, and that bell is a Western Column Haze Mechanical bell. It sounds good with the WRRS Mechanical bell. This is the other side of the crossing. It has a same base as everything else. Another cantilever, but the light setup is a bit different, as you can see. And so all lights are Western Column Haze 12 by 24 inch lights. And let's see if we can see anything about this cantilever that's interesting. So it is the model CW cantilever, and it can hold up to 500 pounds, manufactured by Pole Light for Union Switch and Signal Division, American Standard Inc., Swissvale, Pennsylvania, made in unknown. Okay, that sums up everything here. Let me just check the junction. Okay, the junction box is not fabricated metals like the other side. And yeah, that is all the information on this crossing. Thank you for watching.